Today we will learn how to calculate the rate of depreciation and the original cost of the machine and its cost at the end of third year. Let's see the question. The cost of a machine depreciated by 4,000 rupees during the first year and 3,600 rupees during the second year. Like I said, we'll be calculating the rate of depreciation, and the second question is to find out the original cost of the machine, and the third question is to find out the cost of the machine at the end of third year. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's see the first question, the rate of depreciation. The first thing we have to do is we have to find the difference between the depreciation of first year and second year. Okay, that's the first thing we have to do. And to do that, we have to subtract the depreciation of first year and second year. So these are the values of first year, depreciation of first year and depreciation of second year. So we'll be subtracting this. After subtracting, we'll get the difference between the depreciation of first and second year as rupees 400. Now we know the difference between the depreciation of first and second year. What do we have to do is depreciation of 1 year on rupees 4,000 is equal to rupees 400. Right? So we'll take 400 rupees as the depreciation of 1 year on rupees 4,000. The rate of depreciation, the formula to find rate of depreciation, it is annual depreciation charge, that means yearly depreciation charge, divided by cost of asset or cost of machine. So this is the formula to find rate of interest. I hope you understand this. So what we will do now is into 100. Okay, so this is the formula to find the rate of depreciation. Annual depreciation charge by cost of asset or the machine into 100. Okay, so we'll just replace the values. Annual depreciation charge is 400 rupees. Okay, that's a depreciation of 1 year, 400 rupees, divided by cost of the machine, right? The cost of the machine that year, the cost of the machine is rupees 4,000 into 100, and when we simplify it further, we will get it as 10%. So 10% is the rate of depreciation. Okay, I hope you understand this. You can just go back and see it again to understand it. Keep in mind the formula to find rate of depreciation. So we have solved the first question, the rate of depreciation. Now we'll be seeing the second problem, the original cost of the machine. We'll assume we do not know the original cost, so we'll assume the cost of the machine to be rupees 100. Okay, and depreciation during the first year. You remember in the first question we found the rate of depreciation, that is 10%. So depreciation during the first year will be 10% of the principal, that is rupees 100, which we have assumed it. Okay, so let me just write down the answer there. The rate of depreciation is 10% that we found. We are using the same rate of depreciation to find the original cost of the machine. So depreciation during the first year is 10% of rupees 100, and 10% of rupees 100 will be rupees 10. Okay, so this is the depreciation during the first year, rupees 10. Now when the value depreciates by 10 rupees during first year, original cost was 100 rupees. Right, we have assumed the original cost to be 100, then the value depreciating would be 10 rupees. Now let's go back to the part of the question. When the value of machine depreciates by rupees 4,000, right, during first year, so what will be the original cost? Okay, so you remember, to solve this we cross multiply, and we will cross multiply to find the original cost. 100 into 4,000 divided by 10. When you solve it and when you simplify it, you will get the original cost as rupees 40,000. So rupees 40,000 is the original cost of the machine. I hope you have understood it. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, so this is the original cost. You have to try doing by yourself, then you will understand it much better. So therefore the original cost of the machine equals rupees 40,000. So we have solved two questions now, the rate of depreciation, that was 10%, and the original cost of the machine, that is rupees 40,000. Now we will see the third question. We have to find its cost at the end of third year. Let me just write for you the answer that we have found, the original cost of the machine, that is rupees 40,000. Okay, so let us see the third question now. We have to find the cost at the end of third year. To do this, we have to total the depreciation during all 3 years. Okay, we'll have to add the depreciation for all 3 years. 2 years depreciation is already given in the question, right? First year plus second year plus third year. Now let me explain to you how to find the depreciation for third year. Look carefully and try to concentrate, okay, so that you do not get confused. Now to find depreciation for third year, what we have to do is rate of depreciation, that is 10%, 10% of original cost of the machine minus total depreciation of first and second year. Total depreciation of first and second year. Okay, so rate of depreciation into original cost of the machine minus total depreciation of first and second year. Therefore, total depreciation during all 3 years is equal to, we'll put the values here, 4,000, right, that's the depreciation for the first year, then 3,600, that was the depreciation for the second year, and to find third year, 10% of original cost, right, 10% of original cost, that is rupees 40,000 minus total depreciation of first and second year. Total depreciation of first and second year will be 4,000 plus 3,600, that is 7,600. I hope you have understood this. Let's solve it further. Okay, 4,000 plus 3,600 plus 10% of, when you subtract 40,000 minus 7,600, you will get it as 32,400. all right, so we'll simplify it further. 10% of 32,400 will be 10 by 100 into 32,400. So when you simplify that, 10 by 100 into 32,400, you will get it as 3,240. So we have the depreciation for all 3 years, and we have to total it, and when we total the depreciation for all 3 years, we get it as 10,840 rupees. I hope you get this. I hope you understand this. Okay, so 10,840 is the total depreciation for all 3 years. What do we have to find? We have to find the cost of the machine at the end of the third year. How are we going to find it? To find that, we have to subtract total depreciation from the original cost. You remember, we have already found the original cost of the machine, that is rupees 40,000, and we also have found total depreciation for all 3 years, that is 10,840 rupees. So we'll put up these values, we'll subtract it, and we will find the cost of the machine at the end of the third year. So this is the answer. The cost of the machine at the end of third year is rupees 29,160. I hope you understand this. You just go back through the video again to understand it. It's not very hard. You just have to spend some time to understand it. Okay, so the cost at the end of the third year, I will just write it here near the question, 29,160. So like I say, keep practicing, practice every day, because maths, you have to practice maths. Okay, and here is a homework for you to do. I hope you can do it. The cost of a machine depreciated by rupees 5,000 during the first year and by rupees 4,800 during the second year. You have to calculate the same three things that I have explained to you: the rate of depreciation, the original cost of the machine, and the third one is its cost at the end of the third year.